How to change the default home launcher for your Vivo phone with Android 14, FunTouch OS 14. The best way to do this and find the settings, use this quick access here, pull it down twice until you see the settings icon right there. As you tap on that one time, you'll be taken here. You can search default apps, and for some Vivo phones, you may not get the suggestion. If not, go down until you see apps right here. Once in the apps section here, go down some more until you see default apps, this one there. Once here now, you're gonna see the part that says home app. As you tap on that one time, you'll see the other ones, and this will only show compatible apps that will work with your Vivo phone model. This is a global version, FunTouch OS 14, so some launchers will appear and some will not. So if you do have one from the Play Store, go ahead and select it, and it will, of course, overwrite everything that's on your phone, and you just have to continue with all of this here and change it. Now, if you do decide to change it, you can just always come back here and switch back to the default one, which is this one here, and everything should be back to normal. Like and sub.